Alright, so we're back today to review the new Hansshow 8.8 inch infotainment cluster, touchscreen, whatever you want to call it. This thing is really a cool feature to upgrade for your Tesla Model 3. It really enhances the whole experience, giving you more premium feel. It really feels like you're driving a Model S or Model X. So the Model Ys and the Model 3s don't come with a gauge cluster in front of the driver, and this little upgrade here from Hansshow Auto really improves your driving experience. I must say, after driving around for a few days with this, I'm really impressed with the quality. It looks really good. It looks like a Tesla feature, not something aftermarket. So it really integrates well with the car. It integrates well with the look and feel of the car. As you can see, it really matches the dash and the MCU display. Similar kind of designs. You can actually change the color of the car to match the color that you want on your screen, so you have quite a few options. You've also got like Android Auto, so this loads when your car is connected to your phone. So I've got it now connected to my phone. You can see you can open up certain apps from your phone. So for example, if you want to have Google Maps or a different map service, or your Spotify, you can also have other third-party apps, like in the Netherlands here we have something called Flitsmeister for cameras, phone, messages, calendar. You can open up your Teams if you want to do a meeting in the car, WhatsApp, check your messages, SoundCloud, that's also quite nice. So if you want to have other music services here as well, you got Google as well, assistance, which I don't want to use that now. Thank you very much. So we can go back to our maps. And I think that the whole experience with a gauge cluster here really improves your whole driving experience. I really enjoyed using it, and I definitely think you should check out the products from Hansshow Auto. So click the link down below. I have a referral link as well for an affiliate code, so I get some commission if you buy something using my referral link, and you also get a discount of 22% off of your purchases from Hansshow Auto's website. That's hauto.com, hautoparts.com. So check them out, and make sure to see what cool accessories you can get for your car. I really recommend it, and for me, this is something that I really enjoy using. I must say the responsiveness on the screen is pretty good. Sometimes you need to swipe once or twice to get the menu to come up, but other than that, it's pretty responsive. You've got some cool settings as well. You've also got steering wheel controls. I haven't yet played around with these things, and AHD, I still haven't figured out what that is, so let's have a look. That's the display. Okay, so you've got a frame rate 25 or 30, resolution at 1080p. It's quite high resolution. You can also rotate the screen, you can mirror it, you can change the brightness, the contrast, the saturation. So for now I've got it at quite a good setting, I think. And then you can have, that's for the Android Auto, I think. So I've put HD now on. Let's see if it changes the way that the look and feel of the screen. No, I don't think so. All looks pretty much the same. So all in all, I think it's a really cool product, and I'm seriously enjoying it. My wife as well also loves to use the gauge cluster now, and have a little bit more information. So be sure to check it out, and let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this reviews, and if you want to see more of these products, then just let me know in the link. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and definitely subscribe for more content. Cheers for now, until next time.